can be studied under 4 headings. First is the approximation of male and female gamete, and second is entry of sperm into the ovum. Entry of sperm into ovum involves 2 steps. First is sperm capacitation and second is acrosome reaction. Sperm capacitation is the maturation of sperms. In mammals, the sperm is required to undergo certain changes in the female genital tract for becoming capable of fertilizing the egg. This process of maturation of the sperms is known as capacitation. It may take place in the uterus, in the oviduct, or in both. The period of capacitation varies from less than an hour in mouse and about 5 to 6 hours in human beings. Capacitation involves changes in the plasma membrane of the sperm, including the removal of some of the surface components and rearrangement of intermembrane particles. The capacitated sperms respires and they swim more quickly than the uncapacitated sperm. So this is capacitation of sperms, यानी sperm maturation. Sperms जो है female genital tract में जाके mature होते हैं in case of human beings, in case of other mammals also. And the period of capacitation varies. It may be less than an hour in mouse and 5 to 6 hours in human beings. Second event of entry of sperm into the ovum is acrosome reaction. Acrosome reaction can be studied under 2 headings. First example हम लेते हैं mammals का. Mammals के अंदर आपको sperm का structure करवाया था. Sperm consists of 4 parts. Anterior most part is known as acrosome, then neck, then middle piece, and last tail. These 4 parts. The head bears acrosome and nucleus. Neck bears a pair of centrioles. Middle piece bears a mitochondrial spiral. And tail region is the last region. In case of mammals, the outer acrosomal membrane and the plasma membrane, both of these membranes break down to release lysins. These lysins bears 2 types of enzymes. One is hyaluronidase enzyme and second is corona penetrating enzyme. Hyaluronidase enzyme hydrolyzes hyaluuronic acid present on the cell surface, and it is a polysaccharide. Corona penetrating enzyme dissolves corona radiata. Corona radiata is the outermost layer egg coat, and its cells are fixed with the help of glue. So corona penetrating enzymes dissolves the glue between the corona radiata cells so that to make a passage for the entry of sperm into the ovum. So the outer acrosomal membrane and plasma membrane, they break down, and now the inner acrosomal membrane reverses its orientation and becomes the plasma membrane in the anterior most region of the sperm, that is the acrosomal region. Inner acrosomal membrane अपना orientation reverse करके अब plasma membrane बन जाती है, क्योंकि प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन डिसइंटीग्रेट होगी, आउटर एक्रोसोमल रिएक्शन मेम्ब्रेन भी डिसइंटीग्रेटेड होगी, इसलिए इनर एक्रोसोमल मेम्ब्रेन अब स्पर्म की प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की तरह बिहेव करती है। Now, the sperms penetrates within the ovum and through the corona radiata cells, and this may occur either by the propulsive force of its swimming, but some scientists they consider that sperm digests its way through the corona radiata cells and passes in through the next layer जो egg coat की होती है, वो जोना पेलुसिडा होती है, उसके थ्रू पास कर जाता है sperm within protease enzyme called acrosin. The influx of calcium ion into the sperm is required to initiate acrosomal reaction in mammals. So, हमने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया एक्रोसोम रिएक्शन का, और वो हमने मैमल्स के केस में लिया. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल सी अर्चिन के केस में हम कल लेंगे as the time is running out, and tomorrow I will also teach you this acrosome reaction in mammals once again. So we are ending.
Okay. Biological